It's time for a four-legged edition of Ask It Early. Our resident veterinarian, Dr. Debbye Turner Bell, is here to answer all your pet questions. And you brought two very cute pets.
Aren't they adorable?
Oh, I need to have this dog.
Yeah, I know. Well, actually, he needs a home.
He does?
Yes. He's 8 weeks old, a mixed breed. Oh. Actually, they brought him in from Tennessee because they have fuller shelters down there.
Really?
At the Bidewee Foundation. So if you don't get him, Maggie, hopefully one of our viewers here can give a good home. Yes, already neutered.
Oh my gosh, he's working it.
And Harry, the kitty's
cute too, right? You don't have to work too hard. Yeah.
Where's the cat?
Kitty's 10 weeks old and needs a home too at Bidewee. So we want to thank them for letting us bring the little kittens.
Thank you to them, and let's get right to our first question. A viewer on her webcam, Kim, is standing by, and she's in Portsmouth, Virginia. Kim, are you there? There she is with her dog.
Oh, with her Boston Terrier.
What is your question for Debbie?
My question is, I do some pet education, and I was wondering, what is the earliest that you can get a puppy or a kitten fixed? And the earlier you get them fixed, will that help prevent them from marking in your house?
These are very good questions. Thank you very much. Yeah. And of course, when she says fixed, she's referring to spaying for females, neutering for males. It's very important to do that with all of our pets. It cuts down on pet overpopulation, and there are some health benefits. If you spay a female dog before their first heat, which can happen as early as 6 months, then you reduce the chance of them getting mammary neoplasia, which is a $10 word for breast cancer, by 7-fold.
Wow.
So it's very important.
It can help with behavior too sometimes, right?
And particularly with males, because all that testosterone, you guys know, coursing through your veins, makes you want to roam and look and be a little aggressive.
Stop it. Right there. Cut it
I'm just talking about the dogs and cats.
Okay.
So neutering the male is also very important. Now, to get to Kim's question specifically, our shelters do it as young, and some veterinarians as young as 8 weeks old. As long as the animal is 2 pounds or 8 weeks old, so far we've not seen any detriment to doing what we call pediatric spay or neuter. But consult with your veterinarian. Between 8 weeks and 6 months is a good range.
Thank you, Kim.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. What was her dog's name? I don't remember. Thank you, too. All right, we have the next question. It came in by email from David in Mobile, Alabama. What is the best way to fight fleas, both on my dog and in my house?
Man, this is a big problem, especially for people who live in temperate climates and humid climates.
Down south, man.
Yeah, oh gosh, absolutely. Whenever it just gets warm enough for these, for the fleas to come out of their larva stage, it's important to treat not only the animal, but the environment, because the flea actually spends a majority of the life cycle in the environment. In the dog bed, in your carpet, in your couch, in your bed, if you let the animal sleep in the bed. So you've got to treat all of those as well as the animal. Now, there are some over-the-counter flea products that can be detrimental to your pet. So be very careful. You want to avoid products that have OPs, organophosphates, carbamates, and pyrethroid-based products. Your veterinarian can help you with this. I would say prescription flea and tick control is probably the best way to go because they have the least toxic chemicals in them. But you have to be just as vigilant about the environment as you are about the
You say
pet.
as opposed to the over-the-counter stuff, the prescription stuff so much.
Yeah, I mean, I don't want the companies that do the over-the-counter things to write me. I'm not really pooping them. You just have to be very careful. And don't use a dog flea product on a cat or a cat flea product on a dog. You also want to be very careful with the very young, the very old, pregnant, and sick animals with flea products.
Thank you, Doctor. Appreciate you being here.
My pleasure.
And thanks for bringing your friends.
Thanks again, Bidewee.
Somebody else?